In these times of austerity, local community projects are one of the biggest casualties. Crumbling, run down and neglected until now. Britain's armed forces are respected the world over, and now it's time for their skills, discipline and professionalism to make a difference in civilian life.
These guys know what they're doing, and they will always deliver.
We've assembled our very own A-team of ex-soldiers for one more tour of duty.
Get back to work!
Spearheading the mission, former Royal Engineer and Special Forces soldier Kevin Godlington.
There's a lot of crap books out there that spout nonsense about how to become a leader, and the proof is in the pudding. Do you deliver on time every time, and do your people follow you anywhere?
Joining him, a hand-picked unit of specialists. Royal Engineer demolitions expert Charlie Brooks.
What you want with demolition is no dust. That's how you bring down asbestos.
Warrant Officer Taff Evans, aka the Enforcer.
Move yourself, Mendelssohn!
Combat Engineer Kaz Smith.
I can drive everything.
Afghan vet Sapper Stu Mendelsohn.
I'm getting wet. Not in a good way either.
Let's get on with it.
Their mission, to use the skills they learned in the forces to rescue struggling community projects across the nation.
A lot of blood, sweat and tears have gone into this.
And they'll do whatever it takes
We'll work 24 hours if we need to.
get the job done.
Thank you. That's much better than I ever dreamed.
This is Operation Homefront.